You can use the zoom feature to enlarge part of the screen. Go to System References, then to the Accessibility category. Go to the Zoom section. Enable the option to use scroll gestures with modifier keys to zoom. This option requires a scrolling mouse or a trackpad enabled with the two-finger scrolling gesture. Point the mouse cursor where you want to zoom, hold the Control key and scroll up on the mouse. Or place two fingers on the trackpad and swipe up. You can see things that might otherwise be too small. To zoom out, just hold the Control key and scroll down until the screen is normal again. If you do not have a mouse or trackpad with the scroll feature, then you can try the keyboard shortcut controls to zoom instead. With this option enabled, use the keyboard combination Option Command 8 to enable the zoom tool. Then hit Option Command plus to zoom in, and Option Command minus to zoom out.